Welcome back! In this video, we'll walk through how to create assignments from our Learning Center and how to track your students' grades and completion progress. To get started, hover over Admin on your top menu and select Create a New Assignment. Enter an assignment name, set your start and due dates, and configure optional rules like minimum passing grades or allowed quiz attempts. If you select a prerequisite, the assignment stays hidden on student dashboards until they complete all tasks in the prerequisite assignment. You can also boost student motivation with an automated cash reward deposited directly into their stock game portfolio or budget game checking account when they finish on time. Want to reuse an assignment you made for another class? Click Copy Older Assignment. Select your previous session and assignment name to load those tasks into your new class. Our learning library features hundreds of self-grading lessons, videos, and interactive tasks organized into collapsible categories. Assign article readings, video tutorials, or give students hands-on practice with financial calculators, like student loan repayments, insurance quote builders, or calculating how to become a millionaire. To turn hands-on gameplay into graded assignments requires specific in-game actions, like executing a stock trade, using a limit order, or completing months in the budget game. Pre- and post-tests are also available to measure how well your students are learning key financial literacy concepts from the start and end of your class. Notice the small icons beside each title? They show you exactly what's included, like a short reading, tutorial video, or pop quiz, along with estimated completion times. Click the eye icon to preview any task, then check Require to add it to your assignment. Looking for a specific subject? Use the search bar to pull up all lessons, calculators, and game actions for related topics like insurance or budgeting. Not sure where to start? Here are 3 ways to set up your first assignments. For stock game beginners, select all tasks under Investing Simulation Tutorials to give students a primer on different asset classes, order types, and how to do investing research. For budget game onboarding, assign budget game tutorials so students can learn about key concepts like net worth and credit scores before they start playing. For standards-aligned teaching, you can easily meet state and national financial literacy requirements using our Jumpstart-aligned units. Assign complete modules like income and taxes or managing credit, where each one includes an intro and unit assessment to test your students' knowledge. Once you've selected your tasks, click Create Assignment. To build additional weekly or unit assignments, click Add Another Assignment from the bottom of the page. To review, edit, or manage your active assignments anytime, hover over Admin on the top menu and select Assignments Overview. This central dashboard displays your total task counts and estimated completion times for every assignment at a glance. When you're ready to review student results, click the Direct Report links right here, or navigate to the top Reports menu. Either way, you'll find 2 main assignment reports. First is the Assignment Student Progress Report, which serves as your primary gradebook for individual students. If you have multiple assignments in your class, start by selecting the specific assignment you want to review from the drop-down menu near the top. Here, you can view each student's name, username, last login date, completion percentage, and overall grade. Or click Export to Excel to download these grades directly to your gradebook. To review an individual student's work, click the eye icon under the Actions column to open their progress report card. From this pop-up, click View next to any quiz task to see the exact answers that student selected for every question. This allows you to spot trends, see where students are making mistakes, and identify topics that might need extra review in class. Second is the Assignment Class Progress Report. This report gives you a macro view of your whole class. You can review overall group completion percentages, average grades, and a task-by-task breakdown showing how far your class as a whole has progressed through each lesson or game action. If you need help with your assignments, please go to the Messaging Center by clicking this icon on the top menu. From here, click on Contact Support to complete the form and attach any screenshots or files to explain your situation. Thanks for watching.